All right, hey guys, this is a very short video on what a perfect bit box should look like. All right, two of the most standard screwdriver sizes are number 2 of the Roberts and Phillips, so they are a must. I usually have one whole row for Roberts and one whole row for Phillips. This box is what I'm calling an all-rounder. I'd take this on any general small fixes where I'm gonna only probably need one of these two. All right, however, certain jobs have odd screws, certain jobs have missized or small screws, or you never have to, or sometimes you have to worry that there might be multiple screws for the single job. So down here I have 3 of the major sizes, a small, medium, and large of flathead, a number 1 and a number 3 of Robertson. Remember, these are all number 2s. A number 1 and a number 3 of the Phillips. Sorry, I got that backwards. Phillips Robinson. Phillips Robinson. So I have a number 1 and a number 3 of Robinson right here. This whole row is just number 2s of Phillips and Robinson of the small bits. In my actual drill that I generally use, I have a adapter, so I use all my small bits all the time. All right, so we have Torx screws, and these are generally, I grab a whole set of these just simply because I usually have one rack free. And Torx screws are very underrated. There are a lot of Torx screws in the world, and most people don't have a set of these. Okay, in here is assorted. What I mean by assorted is I have odd screws, odd bits, bit heads. For example, this one is a, come on, it's a Torx screw, but it is a very small, no, that's a hex screw, hex head screwdriver, hex head bit. Here's another hex head. So I do keep some random, some very small ones like this one. Look at that. Look how small that thing is. What exactly would you screw open with that? Anyway, so I have a little box of assorted in here. And then these two came with the set, and I just happen to have one that's even a littler one. And these are for specialty screws like Tapcons and pretty much hex head screws. A long bit Torx. This is the most standard 0.25, and a number 3 on a long bit. So that's what I think